Hey guys, subscribe to How to Learn channel and click on bell icon notification to learn something new. Hey guys, welcome to How to Learn channel, and today in this video I am going to tell you about what is Black Hat SEO, what is White Hat SEO, and what is Grey Hat SEO. If you want to know the details, then do watch the entire video. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then click on red button to subscribe the channel and click on bell icon notification to receive every new video update of my channel. So let's start the video. So guys, many of us want to know what is SEO, what are the types of SEO, what is Black Hat SEO, White Hat and Grey Hat SEO. So in this video I will cover the types of SEO. There are basically three types of SEO. First, the White Hat SEO, second the Black Hat SEO, and third Grey Hat SEO. Now first of all, what is White Hat SEO? White Hat SEO is basically the ethical SEO, or we can say it is an organic SEO. Basically, I will tell you that SEO means search engine optimization. It is that SEO that we follow all the guidelines of search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo. They provide us the guidelines within which we have to work. These all are called White Hat SEO. It is a long process and slow process, but it takes time, but it rank. If you want to rank a specific keyword, then it will take time, maybe 6 months or 1 year, but it will provide you the long lasting ranking in search engine like Google, Bing or Yahoo. So if you have patience, then you should use White Hat SEO. Next, the second is Black Hat SEO. Black Hat SEO is basically unethical SEO because we don't follow any guidelines of any search engine. We disobey the guidelines. It will result in quick ranking in short period of time. Means if you want a specific keyword to target within 1 month or 2 months, then you can use Black Hat SEO, but it is quite risky because sometimes search engine software may detect that you are using Black Hat SEO techniques and may blacklist your website or anything else. This will result in great loss of your website. So it is a risky process, but if you want to take a ranking of a specific keyword, then you can use this technique. Short time but risky. Within 1 month or 2 months it get showing you results of ranking, but it is quite risky. In this, the different techniques like link spamming, stuffing of keywords, etc. are used in Black Hat SEO for fast ranking. Next is Grey Hat SEO. Grey Hat SEO is basically a combination of Black Hat and White Hat. Now suppose if anyone comes to you and tell you that I want to create a website and I want to target a specific keywords within 1 month or 2 months. Now there is a problem because in White Hat SEO you can't do that because it takes a lot of time, around 6 months to 1 year, to target a specific keyword. But you can use a combination of both White Hat and Black Hat. Now suppose if you use 95% White Hat SEO and 5% Black Hat SEO, then that is called Grey Hat SEO. But you should keep in mind that the Black Hat SEO should be very less. 5% is very high also. You should use at least 2 to 3% Black Hat, so the targeted keyword get slightly fast process can be done in ranking of the website. So I would never suggest Black Hat SEO for fast ranking because it is quite risky. Your all hard work can go in vain. So be patient and use White Hat SEO technique. So If you like the video, then do hit the like button and do share with your friends if you get what is SEO and what are the different types of SEO. If you have any doubt, then do comment in the comment box section. I will try to help you out. And do subscribe the channel for more videos on SEO. Do join our Facebook page, the link is given in the description, and learn and let others learn by sharing the video. That's it from the today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.